On our last post, we were solving for a leg of a right triangle. Here are the answers for our last post. We were given this information. A equals 3, B equals we don't know, and C equals 5. It's always easiest if you draw a picture so that you know you can visualize what it is you're trying to solve. A is 3, B we don't know, and C is 5. We'll plug that into our Pythagorean theorem. Whoops, equals C squared. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A is 3, 3 squared. B squared we don't know. And C is 5. 3 times 3 is 9. We don't know B squared. And 5 times 5 is 25. And we need to get the B squared by itself. So remember, this step is an extra step. We need to get this 9 gone and out of here. So we got B squared by itself. Let's subtract 9. Whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you must do to the other to keep your equation balanced. 9 take away 9 is 0. That's canceled. We now have B squared equals 25 subtract 9 is 16. And we need to take the square root of both sides. So B equals, well, what number times itself is 16? B is 4. That would be the answer to number 1. Number 2, we were given this information. A equals 5. B we don't know. And C equals 13. Okay, let's plug this back in. We know that the hypotenuse is 13 and A is 5, and we don't know B. So we'll have 5 squared plus B squared equals 13 squared. 5 times 5 is 25. 13 times 13 is 169. Again, we need to get rid of that 25. So let's subtract 25 from both sides of the equation. 25 take away 25 is 0. That cancels itself out. We now have B squared equals 169 subtract 25 is 144. If we take the square root of both sides of the equation, we've got B equals, what number times itself is 144? 12. And that's the answer to number 2. Number 3, the given information, A is 12. Again, we don't know what B is. And C is 15. So A is 12, B we don't know, and C is 15. A squared would be 12 squared, plus B squared is 15 squared because C is 15. 12 times itself is 144. 15 times 15 is 225. So if we want to get B squared by itself, we subtract 144 from both sides of the equation of the equal sign again. Cancels itself out. B squared now equals 225 subtract 144. Leaves me 81. Oh good, this is going to be a nice even number for us. Take the square root of both sides. What number times itself is 81? The number is 9. That's the answer to number 3.